Debbie and I went and took a helicopter tour. Here it is. Yeah, here we are, going to go for our helicopter ride, and this is what they pick you up in. Not a bad ride to go for a helicopter. Might as well drive around in this for a while instead of going on a helicopter. Here we are, a bunch of happy folk getting ready to go on a helicopter fly. You lucky devil, I bet you're famous on YouTube, are you?
I've been on YouTube many times already.
Yeah, you're going to make it again.
Alright.
This guy here is called Peter. He's our driver. We're going to take off very shortly as soon as this thing is wound up a bit. A little bit faster now. And away we go. Here's where we are, and we flew in here on a helicopter. I'll get around here. These guys are on a honeymoon. There's a cactus with flowers on it, and they very nicely set up a picnic for us here. And champagne and water. There we are, some sort of big old barrel cactus here. There's another sort of a cactus there. And another one going over. They all come at the same time. Here, at the bottom, there's more. So here's what we came to see. This would be the Grand Canyon, and it goes way, way, way up. Up, 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 up. There would be the Grand Canyon's idea of the Maid of the Mist coming down the river, and there's lots of tours like that.
Coast of the U.S. I grew up in
Having
Pennsylvania.
some
been out here about 9 years.
lunch out here in the Grand Canyon.
I kind of feel like
Turkey sandwich.
not too many.
No, these are tour mates here.
In the U.S. with
This picnic area has been here since 1985. Fine trip in number 50 Sundance helicopters. This is Peter. Get it all. Yeah, big smile from Peter. That's good. Get it all nailed down. Get our pick. So here's how we got here. One of these things. And then we came around, and then this young fella here picked us up, and he'll drive us back down.